Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Cash App to Chime. Alright, so let's begin. If you haven't already, link your Chime account by tapping your profile in the top right corner. Under Accounts and Settings, tap Linked Banks, then tap Link Bank. Continue, and from the list, select Chime. With your Chime login ready, tap Continue to log in, then enter your email and password. You'll complete two-step verification using a code texted to you. Once that's done, tap I agree. After a moment, you'll see your Chime account and balance tap Continue. At this point, Cash App will confirm that your Chime account has been successfully linked. With Cash App and Chime now connected, open Cash App and tap the Banking or Balance tab located at the bottom left of the screen. In the Cash Balance section, tap Withdraw and use the slider to select the amount you want to send to your Chime account. Select how quickly you'd like to send the money. Standard typically takes a couple of days, and then tap Done to initiate the transfer. So that's basically how you can transfer money from Cash App to Chime. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.